So now we are going to pour the Falooda into. First, we are going to take the jam and spread it out in the glass, just like this. Okay, and now we are going to pour in the Falooda. First, we put some jam in there. And now Falooda time. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add the Falooda. Okay, now there is ice cream. Now Justin is going to scoop the ice cream and put it in there.
What is the first ice cream?
Butterscotch. Yeah, put butterscotch in there. Carefully, Justin. Carefully. Okay, yeah. Now take strawberry. Take strawberry. Yeah, pour it. Okay, now we are going to take some of the toppings.
Guys, we have some
chocolates,
nuts, and some
raisins. And now we have sprinkled that all over this. And God, this looks yum.